पढ़ाई के साथ साथ बच्चों का सर्वांगीण विकास होना भी बहुत ज़रूरी होता है और इसके लिए समय समय पर स्कूल और कॉलेज प्रबंधन द्वारा बच्चों के लिए विभिन्न कार्यक्रमों का आयोजन किया जाता है। एक तरफ पढ़ेगा इंडिया बढ़ेगा इंडिया का नारा देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने दिया है और लगातार पढ़ाई को लेकर गवर्नमेंट द्वारा तरह तरह के अभियान चलाए जा रहे हैं। ऐसे में अगर बात करें तो आर्थिक राजधानी मुंबई में नारायणा ई टेक्नो स्कूल द्वारा लगातार हमने आपको दिखाने की कोशिश की है कि बच्चों के विकास के साथ साथ पढ़ाई के साथ साथ उनका कैसे सर्वांगीण यानी हर तरफ से कैसे विकसित हों उसके लिए भी कोशिश रहती है। और आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं नारायणा ग्रुप की डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर सिंधुरा नारायणा जी। उनसे जानते हैं मैम, आज 46 ईयर्स कंप्लीट और एनुअल डे बच्चों के लिए, जो कि काफ़ी एक तरह से मनोरंजन के साथ साथ सोशल मैसेज देने का काम नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों ने किया है। चाहे मोबाइल की बात करें, टीवी की बात करें, स्वच्छता अभियान की बात करें, क्या कहेंगे?
Thank you. I am Dr. Sindhura Narayana. I am Director of Narayana Education Institutions. Like you rightly said, sir, today we are celebrating our annual day in Borivali branch, which was started in 2015. This is the first branch which we have started in Maharashtra in 2015, and today we are located in over 30 places across the state, and we have over 25,000 students in our schools and college program. We are going very very strong with all India rank 1s to rank 4th in both JEE and NEET streams. And as you know, we are known for the integrated program in the school as well as college syllabus. In addition to that, like you rightly said, today we are celebrating Kruti, our annual day program in Borivali. And the theme of the program is Progressia. So Progressia means how the future is going to be and how the progression has happened so far in India. At the same time, how the progression is going to happen future. So we are depicting how from the time of freedom struggle to now, that is in terms of telecommunications or in terms of visual communications, how the changes have come and how we are also adopting to the changes. Similarly, this is a representation of what we do in our schools as well. Back in the days, it was just the blackboard and the chalk piece that we used to use, but now we are using the smart boards. We are making sure that students are not taught in a one directional manner. There is a lot of interaction. Teachers have become more like facilitators at Narayana rather than only teaching. And we have also introduced differential teaching this year so that students of different calibers, based on their caliber, they get the best and they get chance to improve from one level to another. So in future, we are going to look forward to even better results and even more holistic students coming out with the help of the debating programs we have introduced, with the help of master orator competitions that we are conducting, the radio jockey programs that we are organizing, the way we are encouraging kids to take up N sports and participate at district levels and even state levels for different sports programs. So we are very very proud of what we are doing, and I wish all these little kids all the very best.
आज सबसे अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस कौन सा लगा? क्योंकि हमने देखा परफॉर्मेंस के दौरान आप भी ताली बजाकर बच्चों को जो है प्रोत्साहित करने का काम किया।
Every performance is excellent. These are little kids, like from nursery, pre-primary and primary, and of course we have high school happening in the afternoon. Every performance is excellent. Those kids who are in the very beginning, at the same time those kids who are standing back also, you can see that everyone has the same energy and the same competitive spirit.
मोबाइल को लेकर जिस तरह से नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों ने म्यूजिक के जरिए, गानों के जरिए एक संदेश देने की कोशिश की कि आज मोबाइल हमारे लिए नेसेसरी हो चुकी है एवरी टाइम।
Yes. So there are two ways to look at the mobile utilization in today's world, not just in India, not just in schools, everywhere. No doubt communication systems are very very important. In fact, because of the existence of this communication systems, the security systems have been strengthened both in schools as well as elsewhere. At the same time, students learning, instead of learning only through the non-digital platforms, digital learning is also embedded, so that way they are able to grasp even a knowledge which they wouldn't otherwise get it by traditional teaching. But at the same time, like you said, there has to be a very productive way of spending on the digital. There's no point sitting and scrolling a lot of reels, randomly. If you are concentrating on reels which are going to be helpful to you, then that is going to be then that would make sense. So at Narayana we try to balance that out. Even some of the times we give them assignments which they can perform as reels as well, which they can use all their PPTs and different software, Canva, different apps, but then it's productive. Without being productive we don't allow it.
मैम आखिरी सवाल, जिस तरीके से अब नई शिक्षा नीति पर जो है देश आगे बढ़ रहा है, क्या नई शिक्षा नीति आने के बाद सभी बोर्ड एक समान हो जाएंगे? तो क्या लगता है एजुकेशन पर थोड़ा इफेक्ट पड़ेगा?
वो इतना इजी नहीं है, लेकिन कोशिश कर रहे हैं हमारा गवर्नमेंट. It's a very very good thing because a lot of times kids move from one city to another, kids move from one board to another because of the movement, and teachers also move from one board to another. So it's important to have some uniformity. At the same time, every board, if you take CBSE, it will have some strengths. If you take IB, it will have some strengths. ICSE has certain strengths. In some sciences are very strong, some communication is very strong. So we have to ensure that we take best of everything, so that teachers are also well trained to adopt and students also are well trained to adopt. So I only see a very very bright future for the education system in India.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। ये थी नारायणा ग्रुप की डायरेक्टर, जिन्होंने बताया कि किस तरह से एजुकेशन को लेकर नारायणा ग्रुप बच्चों को बैलेंस के साथ साथ बच्चों को सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए काम करता है। कैमरामैन FS पटेल के साथ प्रदीप शर्मा, IN24 न्यूज़, मुंबई।